I'm not sure how I'm going to film this because my coffee can cell phone holder is being used by a flashlight, and I only have one coffee can phone holder. So, well, we'll see. A few days ago, we were working on some smart lights. We have these circuit boards that we swapped out, and I identified a chip on here that was for communication. We're going to go ahead and swap that out. We're going to start with a little bit of flux. Got a little heat gun here. I'm going to see if we can remove this chip from the board. Without any collateral damage. A nice little bubble in our silicone mat. I think that means it's working. Almost looks like the solder melted. Let's see. Are we there yet? No. Being very careful not to try and melt things I don't want melted. Please come up soon. Please. No. Patience. Patience is a virtue, right? It seems to be taking a long time. There we go. Alright, that chip is out. Let's go ahead and set our hot air gun aside. We will bring in a new chip. It's still in the packaging. I'm gonna put you guys on pause. I'll get the chip out of the packaging and we'll stage it up. Let's bring the new chip in ever so delicately. Alright. Had a lot of coffee today. A little shaky. Or a little off center here. Hold on. Oop. Alright, cool. Well, maybe we need to go over just a little bit. Okay, let's call that done. A little bit of fresh flux. Bring in our heat gun again. Looks like we've reflowed the solder. It's pretty hard for me to tell. I really need some glasses. this looks pretty good, but let me get the magnifying glasses and see what we can see. Zoom in real close here. Yeah. Well, almost. Almost. So this little leg right here needs some more work. It did not reflow. So we're gonna do it with a soldering iron. I wish I had something with a smaller tip. That one is good. Well, let's do them all. We've got everything here, right? I need to purchase a soldering iron with a very, very small tip. This looks good. Let's go ahead and take a peek with my super duper goggles here. Oh yeah. No, she's ugly. Alright, we're approaching the end of this project. We just need this stuff to reflow a little bit better. I should have put some flux on it. No flux given. Not today. I made a joke. Doesn't really look like it's flowing, but well, it looks good, right? Done beats perfect. I'm happy with this. And now we have another new circuit board that can go back into one of these 18P hex lights. Good. All right, I think that's all I got for now.